Hello my plant friends, today's episode we will be talking about the Philodendron Dark Lord. This is one of the thousands of philodendrons available right now in the market. This is for those who are into dark leaf, but big dark leaf kind of plant. So now we will be going into the details of, or if you own a Dark Lord Philodendron, or if you own a Marble Queen or other kinds of philodendron which they look the same. We'll go to the characteristics and the things why people love this Dark Lord Philodendron. They have things that you need to check on for you to be able to appreciate this kind of plant among all the aroids maybe that you know of. So if you're interested, kindly watch the rest of the video.
Let us start from looking at the back view of the leaf. Now, what you are looking at is the Dark Lord's new leaf together with its cataphil. It is, by the way, also called as the Dark Knight. Yeah, Dark Knight, like the Batman. As you can clearly see here, the new leaf are in deep red in color. I believe they specifically call this burgundy. A shiny, young burgundy leaf. Here you can see the shades of green and the brownish leaf that transition from its dark red or burgundy leaf and would eventually be on its way to the dark green leaf. So amazing how the transition really happened. And this is one of the characteristics of the philodendron plants. Some varieties of philodendron, like the Pink Princess or the Prince of Orange or Prince of Albert, are more likely be the same transition of colors. Here, I am specifically showing you while the cataphil, or this kind of sheet that protects the young leaf before it fully open. And this cataphil will eventually be detached from the plant, like this one. That is an older cataphil that you can see right there. So its main purpose is just to protect the young leaf. It is extremely easy to care kind of plant. The medium is basically your standard aroid mix that you can have in your local grocery. I'm just saying your standard mix because it differs from country to country. Here it's more on the cocoa base, but there probably in your area it's more on perlite and moss. How stunning it is to see the difference between the two, and they are simply the same plant. So the Dark Lord has very sharp triangle, and when the new leaf comes in, the midrib and some of the lateral veins are not really that pronounced. And this is also not a Black Majesty, because when the Black Majesty kind of turns like this more or less throughout the entire leaf life, and it's more slimmer in terms of how it opens on the side of the leaf. Here we have again the back view of the leaf, so you can see the lateral veins and the midrib that remains to be red. As you can see that. Also the petiole, where the main stem is extending to.